Hi guys, it's me, the Vince Decode. In this video, I will introduce to you a famous mathematician, physicist, and religious philosopher who laid the foundation of his theory on modern probabilities, and his works in the field of hydrodynamics and hydrostatics centered on the principle of hydraulic fluids. It's no other than Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal was born on June 19, 1623 in Clermont-Ferrand, France. His father, Etienne Pascal, was a former presiding judge tax court.
His father was a tax collector and a talented mathematician.
His mother died in 1626. The family moved to Paris in 1630.
His father never remarried and appointed a maid to take care of the children. Etienne was completely devoted to his children and educated them himself and encouraged their intellectual pursuits.
So, Blaise Pascal wants to help his father in frustrations of being a judge tax court.
Impressed by the boy's fascination with mathematical concepts, his father took him to meetings at the Mathematics Academy in Paris. At the age of 16, Blaise Pascal presented some of his early theorems, including his mystical hexagon, to the audience.
Pascal, not yet 19, developed a mechanical calculator that can capable of addition and subtraction. He called it the Pascal calculator or the Pascaline.
The device was called Pascal's calculator or the Pascaline. He continued working on improving the Pascalines as there was a discrepancy between the calculator's design and the structure of the French currency of the time. He had made many improvements to the original design by 1645, yet the Pascalines were not commercially successful due to their high cost.
His works in the field of hydrodynamics, hydrostatics, centered on the principle of hydraulic fluids, made him discover and create many inventions, such as the hydraulic press, which used hydraulic pressure to maximize and double the pressure and force of the object. He also invented the syringe, which used to inject fluids to a body. He also explains that hydrostatic pressure does not depend on the weight of the fluid, but rather the length and the distance between them. He demonstrates this by attaching a huge syringe to a barrel filled with water and filling that syringe with water up to 2, 3, or stories high. He also has an important contributes in mathematics. He developed the Pascal triangle, which now is famous for developing many things.
It's basically an addition pyramid. Each number equals the sum of the two numbers above it. This creates patterns along the diagonals and the rows and can be used to solve things like probability, combinations, and exponents.
He knows that he has improved humanity and mankind for the better future. Pascal helped us many things for us in our mankind, so we need to thank him. But sadly,
He died
Pascal
in Paris,
died.
France on 19 August 1662 at the age of 39.
So that is the story of Blaise Pascal.